Minna no Nihongo, Lesson 35, Part 3. Suihanki rice cooker, Suihanki o kaimashita. I bought a new rice cooker. Niban ha leaves ha no iroga kawari hajimeta. The leaves have started to change color. Sanban mukashi old times ancient times. Nara wa Nihon no mukashi no shuto datta. Nara was Japan's previous capital. Yonban motto more Go motto o kikushite kudasai. Please write the letters a little bigger. Goban yako basu overnight bus. Okinawa e yako basu de ikimasu. I am going to Okinawa by an overnight bus. Rokuban Ryoko Gaisha travel agency. Chichi wa Ryoko Gaisha de hataraite imasu. My father works in a travel agency. Nanaban Kuwashi detailed Kuwashi Setsume wa ato deshimasu. I will explain the details later. Hachiban ski resort. Ski o shiteimasu ka? Do you know a good ski resort? Kyuban kankei relations. Watashi wa ningen kankei no shigoto o shiteimasu. I work in a human relations. Juban nakayoku shimasu. Be on good terms with, get along with. Gakko no tomodachi to nakayoku shiteimasu ka? Are you getting along with your friends well? Ichiban hitsuyo necessary essential. Kenpo no tame ni undo ga hitsuyo desu. Exercise is essential for health. Grammar point 3 interrogative verb conditional form this. This is an expression used when asking the listener for advice or instructions. It can be used in the past same way as Tara desu ka. Example Hon no kaitai desu ga do sureba desu ka? I did like to borrow a book. How should I go about it? Grammar point 4 noun nara. Noun nara can also be used when giving information to someone about something they have just said. Example Onsen ni ikitai desu ga doko ga ii desu ka? I did like to go to a hot spring. Where would be a good place? Onsen nara wa Hakuba ga ii desu yo. If you want to go to the hot spring, then I suggest Hakuba. Grammar point wa arimasen ka. Example Ni-san nichi ryoko o shiyou to omotte irun desu ga, doko ka ii tokoro wa arimasen ka? I'm thinking of going on a holiday for 2 or 3 days. Do you have any suggestions? The ii tokoro wa arimasen ka in the above example means the same thing as ii tokoro wa arimasu ka, but it is a more considerate way of asking something because using arimasen ka makes it easier for the listener to answer in negative. The answers could be either wa arimasu or ie arimasen.